What's up guys, Cray Fish here, and I'm back with another video. I told you I'd be back with another video after Evie did her business. So here is back with Evie. Come on Evie! 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 Aww. No, Evie, no. Come here. Come here. Camera shy? Sit.
That's a running.
Then certain time. Chasing King like mad because how crazy it is. There she is. There she goes. So, yeah, just follow me around for a little bit. I'm actually gonna try the toy. So, like, where's the toys?
And we did that not now because she's not ready for that yet.
Okay.
Just, do you know what we do? Just go sit down and watch her. Come on, Keenan. Just sit in the chair and watch her.
So can the fans.
Just watch her doing around the place and getting to know the place. That's exactly what she's doing. She's just getting to know the place.
He follows me.
But that's good.
And he jumps at me.
He's trying to get to know you.
I'm hiding.
There she blows. Look at Lily leaves there. So cute, isn't she?
Evie.
So cute.
There. No, Evie, no, you're not allowed to climb up there. No. Go. Aww. Oh, sorry, Evie. Dina, don't try and attract him. You're crazy. Crazy.
Hello.
Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video of Evie and part 2 of this, and I might do a little bit of one tomorrow with Easter in the morning. So I will see you later. Bye, lads, boys, or girls, or whatever. I don't know. Later.